Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. I'm going to start by looking at the 4-hour chart here. And what we saw in trading this week is the price move above this swing area through here. This swing area was defined mostly from back here where the price found some support here before moving to the upside. We came back down to that area right through here and again found support buyers and then moved below it here and moved to the downside. On the way back higher, we did trade above and below this area with some semblance of resistance here on these two occasions, but as you can see, we moved above the level on a few times as well, and then we based against the level here before moving to the upside and then fell below the area here on this sharp move to the downside. And it hasn't been until this week that the price returned back to that area, moving above the level. But the price did fall short on the move higher and of the next target up near this swing area through there. I won't bore you with the arrows this time. And we've seen the rotation back to the downside below the 135.17 to 27 swing area here. And the price low has come back down toward the 135 level, which was the high last week right here. So getting back below the 135 level with momentum is probably what sellers want to see in this pair if it's going down. If it does, then we'll look toward this toward the 134.67, maybe 75 area. We based against that level before moving to the upside, and below that we have the 100-day moving average and the 61.8% retracement of the move down from this high to this low to deal with. Let's take a closer look at this by drilling down to the 1-hour chart, because there is some key support as well on the downside that is of interest to us and to you as a trader as well, and that is the rising 100-hour moving. That level currently comes in at 134.81, and again moving to the upside. Note that 2 days ago on Tuesday the price came down to that level on a couple occasions before moving to the upside. Also was testing this at 200-day moving average at the time. On this day last Friday, the price dipped below that level, moved to the upside, and we also dipped below it here and failed on the after breaking below the 100-day moving average. That's this blue overlay line here before moving to the upside. So most of the price action has been above the 100-hour moving average. Just moving higher, it's an easier hurdle on the downside, but we still need to get to and through it at 134.82 to increase the bearish bias for the dollar versus Canada. If not, then guess what? The buyers are still in control. So we are seeing a rotation to the downside in the dollar versus Canada trading here today, but there's work to do to prove that the sellers can take more control. That's a look at that currency pair. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.